Hello, very good morning to you. Yes, just after the all share index video that took about 10 minutes, I'm gonna take a similar duration on the on this variety of shares that I'm going to discuss, and I'm going to share my opinion on the four of the best shares I think one should have. I'll be looking at Lions. Yes, we have some liquidity issues which you see here. At the same time, let us look at Lanka Indian Oil Company. That's another great share. United Motors and Hemas. So these are the shares that I'm going to have a look at it. Now if we look at the Lions, the share could find some kind of support around 450. So for me, a good buy point would be in the current scenario, assuming that the all share index it goes range bound. So there could be some kind of opportunity to buy around 450. So that should be great. And of course, you can look at around 350, 360 range as well. So buying should come around 440 or 450, and then 350, 360. So these are the levels that one can look at it for this shares. So those holding on that. MACD is it's quite negative. Probably it's in a very oversold, and that's how I look at it. Let us add a few more. One indicator. Let's indicate the RSI just to have a look, and at the same time I would like to see the moving average. And then let's put it again, and it doesn't matter. We are looking at here, let's say, so we have a 200, which is, and then we can take the 50, the short. So what we are seeing here on the moving average, this is the 50 moving average, which is in line with most of the price action on the daily price action, and then we see the breakdown. So now technically this is what we are in. The RSI is in a clear negative territory, and one should start looking at buying it. So the buy should come around at further low, so that will be our great opportunity. So here we could see a kind of we could see, if at all this drops around towards 400, that will be a very good 450, 400 should be a good buy for us. So that's about what we should be looking at on this. So we have here the 450 and the 350 ranges to buy. Let us look at Hemas. That's another share that one should be looking at it. Yes, opportunity we are seeing here around 70s. So the current scenario should be good as well. We still see the positive divergence, so there is no harm in collecting. Yes, we are below. We should not have any positions. If one goes by the moving averages, yes, we should not entering, because we are below the moving average. But there could be the other thing that one should look at it in a technical trade is that the reversals, from where the possible reversals can come in. So we have the support lines. There are strategies one should adapt, should be adaptive as well, to buy at the supports with a tight stop loss in order to preserve the capital. So we are seeing the last supports here. We are seeing the last supports, and the prices had moved well. So it's a good opportunity if one could buy around the 70s. That's about HEMAS, and then I'm going to look at the Lanka Indian Oil Company. Now, Lanka Indian Oil Company. Oops. Yep. Here we go. So Lanka Indian Oil Company seem to be holding the 30s well. Another here we go. So one could enter around the 30s and with a stop loss below 29. Okay. This is one of the scenarios. Sorry. If we look at it in a more if you look at the weekly chart, we have the 30s coming. So seems to be the moving averages converging together here, and with great divergence taking place. So one should be looking at 29 or for a possible reversal. So this is a great opportunity yet again, and then we are seeing moving pointing up. So, and we might be able to see some kind of great opportunity if you are in this trade as well. This is the other share that I want to look. Yes, we have United Motors. Today we saw the big drop here, but we have the support of around 65. So this is on a free fall, so I don't see any kind of support coming. So it's great to buy around the 67.50, closer to this. It's looking so bad with RSI still on the negative. So it's another opportunity lies ahead on United Motors, a very good share. And finally, one more chart I would love to see is the AEL, with the announcement that this is going to resume. So this candle indicates the possible reversals to take place now. Okay, so 1860, 1850 was our reversal, and as you know, I think I posted a chart as well where the best buy would be around the 18s, so which has already reached, and we should be able to see towards a 27 minimum. Initial run towards the 27 should be minimum on the AEL. So this could take shape, mainly because if you remember, once I indicated that that ascending this should have taken place here, but in any case we need to treat this as a double bottom. Okay, so this is the range bound that we are looking at. So there could be an opportunity around 20s towards 27, and then might be able to see some pullback back again towards the 25 or whatever before the next move. So we should be targeting somewhere 35 for a long term. Okay, so 35.50 or even 35 should be the price one should be looking at. Okay, so that's about from me. I hope you enjoyed the small video on all these shares, which are not fundamentally weaker. So it's just that with the market sentiments that, you know, the prices have been pushed down. So hope you learned something. Please, you might have other you may detect some other chart patterns which I have not seen. That's the interesting part of in technical trade. So there are various patterns one could look, and that the main focus should be on buying with sound reason and logic. So that's what we strive here in the equity check. I hope you get some insight into it, and then of course you can share your thoughts in the respective communities so that the other members benefit as well. Thank you very much. This is Shark for the equity check.